So let's give it up for Hope, everybody. That's all right. Give it up for Hope. All right, cool. So thanks a lot, Hope, for sending in your name. I think this might be your name, maybe it's your middle name, for today's Igbo name of the day. So thank you for sending in the name Nneamaka. All right, so you guys ready to translate that name together? Nneamaka. All right. So Nne means mother or motherhood, right? And Ama means like to be beautiful or to be wonderful or to be great. And that ka part at the end, it just means like, it just kind of like adds extra emphasis to whatever you're saying, right? So it's like, so ka just means like the best, right? So you put all three of those together, Nneamaka, that means